In 2018, Facebook removed the ability to target based on income level and instead replaced it by generalized household income percentages. In this video, you'll see how you can still target the top 500 wealthiest zip codes, and you can specify by a particular state. This way, you can make sure your ads only show to people you know can afford your services. First, you'll want to download the top 500 wealthiest zip codes spreadsheet, which we've included in the description. This allows you to easily copy and paste all of the zip codes that have the most wealthiest residents. You can even use this spreadsheet to filter based on state. That way you only target people in the states you prefer. This way, your ads will only show to people that you know can afford your products and services. In this example, we're going to go ahead and copy all of the zip codes. So first, you're going to click on the first cell of the zip code column. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then you're going to hold Shift and click on the last zip code. This will then select all of the zip codes on the list, and then you're going to hold Control-C. Next, you're going to want to go into your ad set settings in the Facebook Ads Manager. This is where you can set all of the areas you would like to target. In this case, we're going to choose Add Locations in Bulk. Then we're going to set a location type, and we're going to choose postcodes. And we're going to Control-V or copy-paste that list of zip codes which we received from the spreadsheet. Next, you're going to click Match Locations. You're going to save this list to use it again in the future. You're going to click Add all of the locations. You're going to give this the name. Now you can see we have targeted all of these zip codes for our ads to display to. If you have any further questions regarding targeting based on income level, feel free to leave a comment and we will get right back with you. Thanks.